For me, the most important thing, and that's what I like about it, is that people don't judge you for, at least that was my experience in Credit Suisse, right? But they don't judge you for who you are when you start the internship, but for who you became at the end of the internship. For example, when I started, for me, it was my first internship in investment banking. And with me in my class, there were people that had maybe done another 1 or 2 internships at other banks. So for them, they already knew everything, right? Because more or less they're very similar, the way they teach you. And so for them, clearly it was very easy to do everything. But I was starting from zero. I didn't know what public comparables were when I started. It was these guys that have already done it for months,
Yeah.
So, but what really counted, and the reason why I got the offer, is because maybe I started from a lower level than other people, but then by the end of the internship, I was probably better than those guys, or at least at the same level, and that's something that they really saw the step that I did from beginning to the end, and that's something that they really liked.
And tell me about when you say as good as or better, what would you qualify as the most important thing to be classified as a good intern or a great intern? Obviously, the growth is super important. But is it demonstrating modeling skills? Is it communication? Tell me how you do that.
Yeah, I think it's a 360 approach, right? So of course you need to. It's fine, again, as I told you, it's fine if you don't know things at the beginning, but then people want you to be quick. So learn quick, show that you understood and you can do it.
Mm-hmm.
So that's important. And of course, you need to be very committed. There are a lot of very smart kids that, maybe since they were at university, they wanted to do investment banking. And then when they joined, then they realized that it's not for them. Maybe because they don't like the pressure, they don't like the hours, they don't like the environment. And people notice that. People that work with you understand if you really are, if you're enjoying your internship, if you're motivated. You need to be a team player. I remember basically, I was one of the first in my team to get in the morning. So usually 8:45 a.m. Usually people start from 9 onward, right? I was 8:45, and I was the last one to leave.